Imagine two companies. They buy the exact same AI tools. Both subscribe to ChatGPT. Both automate customer support. Both use AI to write marketing emails. Both generate social media content. Both promise to become AI-powered. One business doubles its revenue. The other barely grows. Same technology. Completely different outcome. Why? Because AI didn't create the difference. It revealed it. One business already had a strong foundation. The other hoped technology would fix problems that existed long before AI arrived. And that's the uncomfortable truth. AI can make your business faster. But there are some mistakes it simply cannot fix. Today, let's talk about the biggest ones. AI can't fix a business nobody wants. Imagine opening a restaurant. The chairs are beautiful. The lighting is perfect. The waiters are friendly. You even install the latest technology to speed up service. But there's one problem. People don't like the food. No matter how efficient the restaurant becomes, customers still won't return. Business works the same way. Many entrepreneurs believe AI will transform a struggling business. So they automate emails, generate content, build chatbots, optimize workflows. But they never stop to ask the most important question. Do people actually want what I'm selling? Technology can amplify demand. It cannot create demand. If the product doesn't solve a meaningful problem, AI simply helps you reach more people who still won't buy it. AI can improve delivery. It cannot manufacture desire. AI can't understand your customer better than you. A business owner once asked AI to generate a marketing campaign. The words sounded impressive, professional, persuasive, even inspiring. But the campaign failed. Not because AI wrote poorly. Because the business owner had never truly understood the customer. Imagine asking a stranger to write a birthday speech for your best friend. They may choose beautiful words. But they don't know the memories, the struggles, the inside jokes, the moments that actually matter. That's what customer understanding is. AI can help you communicate. But it cannot replace the conversations you never had, the interviews you never conducted, the feedback you never collected, the problems you never bothered to understand. The businesses that grow fastest aren't always using the best AI. They're listening to their customers better than everyone else. The best marketing begins long before the first prompt. AI can't build trust for you. Imagine two online stores selling the exact same product. One replies to customers quickly, keeps its promises, solves problems without excuses, treats every customer with respect. The other writes polished AI-generated emails, posts every day, creates beautiful content, but ignores complaints, misses delivery dates, and disappears when something goes wrong. Which business would you buy from again? Trust has never been built by words alone. It's built by repeated actions. AI can help you communicate professionally. But professionalism isn't the same as trustworthiness. Customers don't return because your emails sound intelligent. They return because your business consistently keeps its promises. Trust is earned, not generated. AI can write your message. Only your actions can make people believe it. AI can't make bad decisions good. Imagine giving the world's best GPS to someone who insists on driving in the wrong direction. The GPS keeps suggesting better routes, safer roads, faster alternatives. But the driver ignores every recommendation. Eventually, they still arrive at the wrong destination. Not because the GPS failed. Because the decisions failed. Business works the same way. AI can generate ideas, compare options, analyze data, highlight risks. But it cannot take responsibility for the final decision. That's still leadership. And leadership has never been about having more information. It's about having the wisdom to act on the right information. AI can improve your decisions. It cannot make them for you. AI can't replace consistency. There's a coffee shop not far from where I live. It isn't the biggest. It isn't the cheapest. And it certainly doesn't have the most modern equipment. Yet every morning, people line up before it even opens. Why? Not because of technology. Because customers know exactly what they're going to get. The same quality. The same service. The same experience. Every single time. Business success has always been built on consistency. AI can help you create more content, answer more emails, automate more tasks. But it can't make you show up every day. It can't keep your promises. It can't build a reputation one customer at a time. Consistency is still a human decision. And in business, consistency beats intensity almost every time. AI can accelerate your business. Only consistency can sustain it. Where AI actually creates massive value. Now, after everything I've said, you might think I'm against AI. I'm not. In fact, I think every serious business should be learning how to use it. Just not for the reasons many people think. AI shines when it removes repetitive work. It helps you research faster, draft proposals, summarize meetings, analyze data, generate ideas, create first drafts, automate routine tasks. Those hours add up. And when used well, AI gives you something incredibly valuable. Time. Time to meet customers. Time to improve your product. Time to think strategically. Time to lead. That's where AI creates its greatest return. Not by replacing your business, but by giving you more time to build it. The greatest gift AI gives a business isn't automation. It's attention. The businesses that will win the AI era. Years from now, people probably won't remember which AI tools your company used. Just like most people don't know what accounting software Apple uses. Or which CRM their favorite brand depends on. Customers rarely remember the tools. They remember the experience. The companies that will dominate the AI era won't be the ones chasing every new release. They'll be the ones obsessed with solving real problems. Listening to customers. Building products people genuinely want. Creating systems that scale. And using AI where it actually creates value. Technology changes. Principles don't. Every generation gets new tools. But every successful business still wins the same way. Solve meaningful problems. Earn trust. Deliver consistently. Keep improving. AI simply helps you do those things faster. Businesses don't win because they use AI. They win because they create value. AI simply helps them do it at a greater scale. AI is one of the most powerful technologies we've seen in decades. But like every great tool, its impact depends on the hands using it. If your business already understands its customers, builds trust, makes good decisions, and delivers consistent value, AI can become an incredible accelerator. But if those foundations don't exist, no prompt, no chatbot, no automation, and no new AI model will build them for you. Because businesses have never succeeded because of technology alone. They succeed because they solve problems that matter. So before asking, how can AI grow my business, ask a different question. Is my business worth accelerating? Because once the foundation is strong, AI becomes one of the greatest multipliers you'll ever use.